In the first part, there will be 4 matchsticks. In second, 7. In 10, means C 10, D 13. These are the number of matchsticks written over here. Is this clear to you? Is it clear to you,
Yes,
everyone,
sir.
beta? Okay, now. Now, the question is how to find the pattern of this question. So question is how to find pattern. So look at there, I will tell you one formula. I will tell you one formula, then you are easily able to find the pattern of these series, these type of questions. So look at your formula here. Let a formula, learn this formula. This is a formula to get find a pattern. Formula for finding pattern. So that is a plus n minus 1, or in place of n you can write down x variable because we are using x here. A plus x minus 1 into d. Okay, this is a basic formula. What is a? A first term. First term means first number. Not this one a, not this one a. Now I am removing these things. A means first value. A means first value, and D means difference of this one. Difference of this one means suppose if you are talking about difference of two consecutive term. That means consecutive means, you know, that means lagatar, means continuous, means the term difference between them is means difference between them, difference between them, difference between them. Whatever the difference you got, everywhere will be same. So what is the difference between 7 and 4 here? Tell me. So A will be 4 here and D will be, what is that D? Tell me anyone. The difference of two consecutive term, that means continuous. किन्हीं भी दो terms का difference निकालिए आप. Difference mean subtraction of
2.
No beta, 7 minus 4. Difference, you know that
3.
difference means subtraction of a smaller
3.
number from bigger number. Okay, the
3.
yes, very good. Means difference means the subtraction of a smaller number from bigger number. Means this is 7 minus 4. 10 minus 7, same number will be same. 13 minus 10, number will be same. So we will put down these values here. So now pattern will be A means 4 plus x minus 1 into 3. Now you know that how to solve this type of question. You don't know, no problem. Look at here, 4 will remain same, 4 will remain same, and we have to multiply this number in both number x and 1. Look at there how to multiply these numbers. 3 into x minus 1. That means 3 will be multiplied with this one, also this one, and this sign will be remain same. So look at here, 3 will be multiplied with x. We got it here 3x, and if you multiply 3 with 1, minus sign. If you multiply 3 with 1, we got 3, because 3 into 1, 3. 3 into x, 3x. Is this okay, everyone?
Sir. Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes. Yes, beta.
Sir, the value of x is a distance value, no?
No. Value x is a variable. X is a unknown variable. You don't know, I don't know also. Okay, x is any number. X is any number. This value nobody know. Okay.
Sir, what is this?
This one continuous beta.
Sir,
Continuous.
what is this?
Continuous. Conjunctive means continuous. This is basically a fan beta. 3 will be multiplied. This is multiplication sign, and this is bracket. Means 3 multiplication of 3 will be with this one also and this one. Whatever the number outside the bracket, it will be multiplied to these numbers which are inside the bracket. Means जो number आपका brackets के बाहर है मल्टीप्लाइंग साइन के साथ, वो ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर के सभी नंबर के साथ क्या होगा, मल्टीप्लाई होगा, और जो बीच में आपका साइन होगा वो सेम रहेगा आपका. ठीक है, इतनी बात क्लियर है आपको?
Yes.
इतनी बात आपको क्लियर है तो हम आगे चलें. अगर इतनी बात आपको समझ में आई ये चीज?
Yes, sir. Clear है.
Okay, now write down answer of this. Whatever number this side or this side, no matter, but number must be outside. If number will be outside and there will be multiplication sign, this number will be multiplied with both one. It's 3 into x, 3x, because x we don't know the value of x, so we can simply write it down 3x. And minus sign 3 into 1, we know that 3. So if we solve, look at there, 3x and 4 minus 3 plus 1. 4
Sir,
minus,
what is this?
which one? Where? Pattern beta. I think this thing. Now okay. Now pattern.
Yes, sir.
Pattern will be this way. This 3x plus 1. This is your answer. This is your answer. Take a screenshot fast. This one you can erase. You can erase this one. Done, beta? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now B part. Now B part. Look at their B part. Look at their B and B part. In there will be first three matchsticks in A, 5 matchsticks in second.
Sir, your voice is.
Your voice is not coming clearly to me. What? Any question? I'm audible
Your
clearly.
voice is not coming.
So this is a problem
No,
from this is problem from your side because S3 getting my voice clearly.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
So this is
Sir, your
problem.
voice, but it's so loud.
My voice is coming, S3 or not, beta? If my voice is coming, okay.
It's coming, sir.
Okay.
But
That
it's
means okay, man. That means there is a problem upon beta from your side. Please check it.
no, sir. But it's mixing. Your voice is mixing in your only like that.
Your
Means we can hear you. Your voice is breaking, sir, in between.
Afan, your voice is breaking, beta. So there is a problem from your side, not from my side, because everyone are able to listen me clearly. rest of other than you. Mangesh, I'm audible, beta?
Yes.
Swaraj,
Yes, sir.
Swaraj, you have changed the name?
Yes, sir. This is my brother ID.
Okay, okay. Kshitij, I'm audible now clearly, Pratik, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now look at the last question of this exercise. Look at there. In A, there will be 3 matchsticks. In B, there will be 5 matchsticks. C, there will be 7. And D, there will be 9. So, okay. Yes, A, first term A means what? What is the value of A means first value? That will be 3. Okay. And now what is the
Yes, sir.
value of D? That will be 2. Difference between them. So now pattern. Now pattern is equals to A plus X minus 1 into D. Multiply with D. So A will be 3 and X same minus 1. This is a formula. And D means 2. Now look at here, 3 plus 2 multiply with X. We got it 2X, 2 into minus 1. So Raj, what are you doing? You are talking to someone? You are talking, I'm watching. Yasri, what are you doing, beta? Okay, so now look at here. This is clear. This is clear to you, everyone. 2 is multiplied with 2 is multiplied with X. 2 minus sign. 2 is multiplied with 1. So we got it here. 3 at 2x is same, and 3 minus 2. Look at there.
Sir, your voice is breaking in middle.
To whom my voice is breaking?
Clear.
Yes, sir, your voice is breaking.
No, sir. No.
Take a screenshot if voice is breaking, so I can't do anything for this because this is a network problem. So take a screenshot of this one. This is very easy question. Take a screenshot of this question. Take a screenshot of this question, then we will move further next topic. Now look at here. Now next topic is perimeter and area. Next topic is perimeter, not perimeter. Use of variable in common rules. Wait. Use of variables. Look at here. Commutative law. Look at here. What is use of variables in properties? How to your 11.1 exercise is over. Now look at here some basic concept for coming exercise. Okay. I am audible clearly to everyone or not? Then I will continue. On your video, everyone. on your video. Vaishnav beta, I am audible clearly. I am audible, Vaishnav.
Yes, sir, you are audible clearly.
Okay. Pratik Munde, Kshitij Sinde, Mangesh Aviskar Afan. On your video, all of you.
What, sir?
On your video, everyone.
Sir, my video is not starting. I had shared you screen sharing also.
Look, I will take your attendance firstly, then we will continue. There will be 7 students are right now. Now we will continue our class. This is first commutative. This means if x plus, this means x plus 3 is equals to 3 plus x. Means if we add 3 to x or x to 3, both are same thing.
Sir, this is formula.
Yes, any question? Voice is not coming. Your voice is not audible.
Sir, this is formula.
These are the basic
Sir,
concepts
this is
for.
formula.
No. This is not a formula. This is not a formula. This is a basic concept of for coming exercise. This is a basic concept for coming exercise. This is a basic concept for concept for 11.2 exercise. Okay, this is we are discussing right now basic concept of a coming exercise. Okay, now most distributive law. This means like suppose A into B plus C. Concept for, it is clearly written. I don't know why you Afan not understand the language. Basic concept for exercise 11.2. Distributive law means whatever I had already told this one already. So whatever the number outside the brackets which will be multiplied inside all the numbers, that will be, we got it here, A into B plus A into C. Whatever the sign here. A multiply with B and A multiply with C. So whatever sign here, plus or minus, the same one. If there will be plus, then here plus. If there will be minus, then there will be minus. This is a distributive law. Whatever the number outside the bracket, it will be multiplied to all the numbers which are inside the bracket. That means A will be multiplied with B here. A will be multiplied with B, and A also multiplied with C. Whatever the sign here, put down here. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now some formula. I think you know that perimeter of a square, that will be 4 into side, and perimeter of a rectangle, that will be 2 into length plus width. Note it down this one or take a screenshot. Okay, class? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now moving on exercise 11.2. Now moving exercise 11.2. Question number first. 11.2. Question number first. The side of equilateral triangle is shown by. So you can here write it down. One more formula. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equals to 3 into side. This is a formula. All these are formula. Perimeter of a square, you know that 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle, you also know that
Okay.
2 into,
Okay.
there will be sign of multiply. There will be
Yes.
sign of multiply. You know that? Okay, now.
Multiply.
Perimeter of equilateral triangle, 3 into side. Now coming to the exercise. 11.2. Question number 1. The side of equilateral triangle is shown by L. That means, how many of you know that what is equilateral triangle? How many of you know about equilateral triangle?
3 sides are equal.
Very good. That means suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. Means this all the sides will be equal, as well as all the angles will be equal. Okay, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Equilateral triangle. So this is equilateral triangle. Its side will be L. All the sides will be here given L. So express the perimeter of equilateral triangle using L. Very easy. 3 into side. Equilateral triangle perimeter will be 3 into side, which is 3 into L. So you can write it down 3L simply. Okay. Now question, this is okay, beta? First one. Now this is okay now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now question number 2. Look at there, the side of regular hexagon. How many of you know that hexagon?
What, sir?
How many of you familiar with hexagon? Are you familiar with this one or not? Tell me.
Yes. A figure having 6 sides.
Okay, okay, very good. And what about regular thing? What about regular?
All sides are equal.
Okay, all sides will be equal. Okay, very good. Look
Regular
at here.
hexagon is having all sides.
I will try to make a hexagon. Suppose this is a regular hexagon, so its all side will be equal. Okay, its side will be given to us, that will be L. In all the sides will be L. So
Length.
perimeter of regular hexagon is equals to 6 into side. So that will be 6 into L, that will be, we got 6L. Okay class, take a screenshot of this one. Take a screenshot of this one, then we will move further. Done? Take a screenshot of this one, beta.
Taken, sir.
Okay. Now question number 3rd.
Sir.
Now question number 3rd. There a cube is a 3-dimensional figure as shown in figure 11.11, which will be shown to you besides the figure which are drawn over there. It has 6 faces and all of them are identical squares. Means that there will be 6 faces. 6 faces are of a square size. Everyone know that now. In a cube, there will be faces of square shape. How many of you know that? Look at there, this is cube. Suppose, how many of you are able to make a cube? कितने बच्चे क्यूब बना?
I, sir.
Okay, Mangesh, very good. Look at there. Okay, yes, 3. Okay, very good. So look at there. Make any 2 squares overlapping to each other. Then after, we first make this square, then another make this square. Okay. Then you join this one, this one, this one. Now look at how many sides I have drawn here. How many sides I have drawn here? Look at there. 1 square, 1 square, 3 square, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides of this square, A, B, C, D. Okay, class. And 4 sides of this square, like P, Q, R, S. Okay, class. So total side up to here will be 8. 4 of A, B, C, D. 4 edge A, B, C, D, and 4 edge means side, P, Q, R, S. Okay. Means there will be 4 edge of this one. Now look at here, 4 or more. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So 4 edge. These are known as diagonals. Okay, so how many sides are over there? So total number of pages, that will be 12. So perimeter of cube is equals to, because in question find the formula for the total length of page of cube, that will be 12 into age, that will be 12 into what? 12 into what? That will be L. Age will be L. 12 into L. So we got it here. 12 L. This is answer. Okay, class.
Yes.
Now everyone
Sir,
on your video. If you are on video, then you are present in my class. Otherwise, absent. I am taking one
Sir,
more
my
time.
video is on.
If your video is on, then you are present. Otherwise, absent from my class. Virat, today you not come in the school. Virat.
No.
Where is? वो कहाँ गया? What's this name? Swaraj. Where is Swaraj? Okay, time is running out. So we will see you tomorrow, class. We will see you tomorrow, guys. Okay.